Hello everyone, I'm Faqih Ahmed Siddiqui and I'm 12th pass out. I passed out my 12th in the session 2019-2020 and being an above average student, I still managed to get above 95% in my 12th board examination, and this was possible due to the help and guidance that I got from Coda Study Forum. The faculty of Coda Study Forum is really good. The teachers there are creative, hardworking, skilled, experienced, and really friendly. They don't care about where you ask the simplest of the questions or doubts that could be silly. What they are concerned about is whether you get your concepts right or not. I personally think there are three things that are necessary for a student to score good in 10th or 12th board examination. The first one thing I think is a good environment, and by that I don't mean where the place you study. By that I also mean that the content that you surround yourself with, the study material, that is really important. And KSF provides with the precise content that you need to score good in the board examination, whether 10th or 12th. The content that provides is really good. The modules, the daily practice papers, everything is just according to the board examination. So you don't need to go anywhere searching about more content or questions. The content provided by KSF is really good. The second thing I think is that a student requires is a good doubt solving system, because I think of doubts as hurdles between our study sessions which stop us from studying with a flow. So KSF provides WhatsApp groups and teachers' personal phone numbers, so you can text or call them anytime you want, anytime you are studying, and the teachers will help you out irrespective of the time and your question. So you can get help from that. The other thing I think is important is a good revision before the examination. So when I was studying in KSF, the syllabus was completed about 4.5 months before the examination. So we had a lot of time for revision and practice. During that time, the teachers went through every concept and every important question that can be asked in the examination. So we were not feared about the board examination, that what will happen in the board examination. Right? Me and every of our batchmates was really versed with the syllabus. So, and that was the reason that I and all my batchmates, scored really well in the board examination. Due to the pandemic, offline classes are not possible right now, but this doesn't stop the KSF teachers from providing guidance and help to the students. They have launched an application that you can download from Play Store named Oxeducation, and also a YouTube channel, Oxeducation Coda Study Forum. Go check it out for the best faculty that you can get. Thank you.